this is Sarah with Kuva Media. I'm going to be walking you through how to use one of our Kuva Shop assets, which are Custom LMS Badges. Now, an LMS, for those of you that don't know, is a learning management system. It's what actual interface and the system that you use to deliver online courses. The one that we use is BrainCert. I really like them a lot. Now, in a lot of these LMS that you're able to customize, you can set custom badges or awards for gamification to make people know and feel like they're really achieving things. When they complete a certain number of courses, you can award points. Lots of ways to do this. Now, a lot of these LMS, including BrainCert, they have built-in badges which are wonderful. The Kuva Media Shop badges are just a little something extra if you want something very unique, impactful, or very specific to design. So they're just really nice to be able to truly customize your space, give it the vibe you want for your students or your audience. So I've already uploaded the assets. You'll see that in a moment when we're done here. But let's give this one a name. And you can put down a description. We've already uploaded our badge here. So here we are going to assign the badge based on activity, and we are going to do any course completed. And there we go. There's our beautiful, beautiful custom badge. But this is just one way that the Kuva Media Shop supports you in all of your customization needs, whether you're an educator or a creator or a manager or an entrepreneur. I mean, so many different professionals can use our breadth of resources. And now I'll walk you through some customizations that you can do. These asset packs for the LMS, they come in some different file formats for you. One of them is JPEG, another is PNG, and then another is SVG, which is your scalable vector graphic. So whether you want to use them right out of the box as they are, do minimal customization, or do some heavier customizations, you'll have a lot of flexibility with the different file types. Now I'm going to show you an example of some minimal customizations that just about anyone can do. That way you get a quick idea of how you can customize these, how you can use them. As you can see, all of these badges come with a blank space where you can put text if you want to. Again, you can use these as they are, but I'm going to do a little bit of customization on this one. I'm going to make, so we'll call this mentor badge. You can put any kind of text you want to in here. Make that, that looks pretty good. We'll change the text here. I like that one. Spread out the letters. There we go. And this one curves, so let's curve it a little bit so it matches. There we go, beautiful. So it is that easy to customize these, and then you just download it. So now your badge is customized, and you can do these for all of them. And there we go. It is that easy to make your own custom LMS badges using the Kuva Media Shop. Now, with every digital asset pack that you download from Kuva Media's Kuva Shop, there are how-to guides and walkthroughs for all of the assets. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned graphic designer, you're going to be able to get a lot out of these very versatile, easy-to-use assets. All right, now that we've customized a couple of files, we'll upload them and I'll show you what it looks like to use these custom branded badges and how it can really change the vibe and really deliver a total learning experience for your students and your audience. So first, since we have customized our first steps badge, let's update that one. All right, and there we go. So we have our new branded badge there where it says first steps. Now let's add our custom mentor badge that we made. Let's create a new badge here. Now, I personally like to put motivational quotes in as the descriptions, but you can put anything in there. You can put in certification information, all kinds of things. It's totally up to you. It's very free form here, thanks to BrainCert. Now, again, there are other LMS that allow you to do customizations. BrainCert is just my personal favorite and one of the more comprehensive platforms that allows for customization like this. All right, so now we've got our mentor badge. Let's get our files in there. All right, so we have our badge uploaded, and then we want to paste this on an activity. So we will say replied to a topic in the forums. Let's award some additional points for this one. About 10 points. And there we go. So that's what it looks like when you customize these. Again, it can really change the vibe of your community, make it more personal, make it more you. It's not just about sales. Typically, people focus on branding when it comes to sales, but it actually helps with even employees. And in this case, it can actually help with learning retention. When people are engaged, when things are visually appealing, when they're beautiful, people actually retain information a lot better than when things are bland. So that's just something to think about the additional benefits of custom branding, even in your learning management systems, is you're actually going to be helping your students retain the information, apply it, and it just makes a better vibe and a more enjoyable experience. So thank you for joining me for this walkthrough of a little bit of BrainCert, wonderful LMS system, and also our Kuva Shop digital asset packs for LMS badges. Be sure to like and subscribe so we can bring you more videos.